Carla. Welcome to Crafting with Carla. Today I thought it would be really timely, historically accurate, and just healing if we could make our own stress busting coloring page to help relieve just a fraction of the built up, bottled up rage that you feel at the patriarchy. So we're going to start with some blank paper. I grabbed a lot of paper. I only need one for this tutorial, but I didn't care at the time, so I grabbed a lot. Whatever, nothing matters. We're gonna get our queen size Sharpie. I actually wish I had another one just like this so that I could use it to cross off this wrong word and write queen instead, but I don't have that yet. That's okay. So when you make a coloring page, there's a lot of ways you can do it, and I don't want to tell you like the way you want to do it is wrong, because it's not. You might want to do a mandala where you start in the middle and slowly build up a design that's very calming. Or you might want to draw a doggy. So for me, I'm just gonna like fuck you everything, and I'm done. That was really easy. And so now you can go ahead and color it. You can use anything you want. If you like acrylics or Crayola, whatever you like is fine. I'm gonna use I don't even know where I got these. I think they're oil pastels. They're kind of fucked up, and that's how I feel. So I'm just gonna color it in. And what I like about oil pastels is they're really thick. Like you can put down a lot of color really fast and easily, and you can press really hard, and it breaks, but so do our souls. And so you could press really hard and it feels good because it gets out a lot of the stress, and it just looks more beautiful when you really get out that stress that's been building up since literally hundreds, maybe thousands, maybe tens of thousands of years before you were even born. It's not your fault. So just color, and if you color outside of the lines, you go, girl, you do you. You should go outside of the line, because those lines were meant to be broken. Those lines were meant to like hold you down, and the more that you can just go outside the lines and you do you, and the better the whole world will be. So please go outside the lines. I'm done. I don't even want to color anymore. I feel super good now. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. And I hope you have a good day fighting the patriarchy. Go sisters. Bye.